Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to create recipes in MyFitnessPal application. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to tap the More tab that you will see at the bottom right corner. After that, you need to select Recipes, Meals and Foods. Here you need to click on this blue icon, Create a Recipe. Basically, you have to select over here how you want to create a recipe. You want to add it from the web or you want to enter the ingredients manually. After that, give that recipe a name. For example, we can just give it here right now, testing, and then you can write the serving options here, and you have to add each ingredients one by one. So here, after adding each ingredients one by one, you can add the whole recipe and then click on the next icon and then particularly save that recipe. Now if you go for the next option, that is for the add from a web. So here what you basically have to do, you have to paste a link to an online recipe and MyFitnessPal will extract the ingredient. For example, you click on that here where you see search or type URL, you can enter your URL, or there are some sites given here for the recipes. You can import the recipe from this different sites as well. So these are the two ways in which you can create the recipe for this particular application. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.